Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In today's video, we will demonstrate how to save certain pages of a PDF using PDF.co and Zapier. We provide a link of the full tutorial in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more information. We will be using a sample PDF file that contains multiple pages as our example, and we will demonstrate how to save certain pages from this PDF document. So without any delay, let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create a Zap button. Next, search and select the Google Drive app. You can also use other cloud storage services if you prefer to store the source PDF file in a different location. Then choose New File in Folder as the trigger for your automation. Let's configure your Google Drive settings. First, enter My Google Drive as the designated drive to use. Next, provide the folder name where your file is stored. Once the configuration is complete, click the Test Trigger button to retrieve the file from the specified folder in Google Drive. The test trigger was successful in fetching the file from Google Drive. Now let's add another app to the workflow and configure it to save specific pages from the PDF documents. For this step, we will integrate the PDF.co app and select the Custom API Call option to allow us to utilize a specific API endpoint from PDF.co. Let's configure the PDF.co settings. First, choose the PDF Delete Pages endpoint to remove unnecessary pages from the PDF document and retain only the specific pages you want to save. Next, select the web content link from Google Drive as the input. Then input the JSON code containing the page numbers to delete from the PDF document, as well as the desired output file name for the remaining pages you want to save. And let's set async to false. Now let's test the action to send a request to PDF.co to remove unnecessary pages from the PDF document and retain only the specific pages you want to save. PDF.co has successfully processed our request and provided us with a temporary URL that contains specific pages from the PDF document. To view the output, copy the URL and paste it into your browser. Here's the output containing specific pages from the PDF document. We will now add another application and save the PDF document with certain pages. In this step, we'll add the Google Drive app. You can also use other cloud storage services where you want to save the PDF document with certain pages. And select the Upload File option to save files to a specific folder in Google Drive. Let's set up the upload file configuration. First, select My Google Drive as the drive to be used. Next, choose the folder in Google Drive where you want to save the file. And choose the output URL from the PDF.co response. Then specify whether you want to convert the output file to a document by selecting True or False. Then enter the name of the PDF output file. Lastly, specify an extension for your output file. Now that the configuration is set up, let's proceed to test the action of uploading the file to the designated folder in Google Drive. The file has been successfully uploaded to Google Drive and saved in the designated folder. You can now check your Google Drive folder to verify the uploaded file. Here's the PDF document with certain pages that we successfully saved to Google Drive. To learn more about PDF.co and its features, kindly check out our available tutorials on our website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.